swelling song mounts like the whirling wind, as it meets our singing throng, so blithe of heart and mind. Care and sorrow now be gone, brothers in song sing on, brothers sing on, sing on. Youth is a wandering troubadour, sailing the singing breeze, wooing a maid on a distant shore, over the tossing seas. Steering by the stars above, his vessel a song of love. Brothers, sing on, sing on. Errant minstrels, thus we greet you, list to our voices strong. With glad and open hearts we meet you in a festival